We lost a national hero. We lost a national treasure in Senzo Meyiwa. Sibonile kakhulukazi ku Netflix kukhona khona docu-series ekhona lapho. We were left with so many questions. Nakhona abantu abaningi who've offered commentary in as far as the Senzo Meyiwa case is concerned have poked holes and left us with many questions. So namhlanje sithemba ukuthi kuzosombululeka nalana esingaboni khona. There's too many angles and too many moving parts and too many questions left unanswered. So today we're hoping with the invitation of Siyabonga Mia, who is hands-on and very close to the situation, and even a cousin to Senzo Meyiwa, or got instrumental also in involving private investigators in also picking up from where other private investigators have left off, to also to carry on with the investigations, and now with the emergence of a second docket. Much controversy comes with that and leaves us with more questions as to whether this is a cover-up or just a question of the left hand not knowing what the right hand is doing. But again, inkokhia usolum kagazo. So yesitholeke manje sihlelika no Senzo's cousin kamela ke nguSiyabonga Mia. Siyabonga sikubingelele sikomkele kwiGagasi FM.
Angibingelele Felix na bosa kwenu la studio.
So, Advocate Zandile Mshololo Melage, one of the 5 accused in the Senzo Meyiwa trial, usebu telling inkantolo ukuthi postpone a cross-examination of the state witness uSayitsheni Thabo Mosia. Uzeke umunezi isikhathi sanele ukuthi afunde this other second docket controversial. Ke umndeni ke okaMeyiwa kade waqala ukukhuluma ngaleli docket esilivela manje. Ake sizwe ukuthi wena usithatha usibeka nje. What do you know about this docket? And what do you think is contained in it? Because this is what quite no fagaz, quite a basola bash, abangeko njengamanje boxing.
Angisho nje ukuthi okuphakathi edokotweni angikwazi. Kodwa le docket yenziwa by omunye wamaphoyisa ayikhandlayo nayithandayo eSouth Africa. Asebenza kanzima ukugcina umthetho la eSouth Africa Umama Buthelezi ube involved le case from the beginning. I think it was 2015. Wenza ama recommendation yokuthi yonke lento enishoyo ayikho, asibophena abantu abala endlini base beyamxosha.
Bophelo umsebenzi?
No, bamxosha within the case.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So ngithema ngifunda ngestory sakhe in one of the newspapers. Ngiyakhumbula it was 2015 kwaku ngaqoqa isikhwama sami ngahamba ngaye eGold ngaresign etohweni ngangilibamba trace umama uButhelezi tracer our first meeting ngiyakhumbula eseGrayston wayesaba ke kuyisebusuku ehamba nomunye mfana wami ngoba le case be close to my heart. Akumele ngabe ngikhuluma nawe but ngizokusiza ngoba usuhambile wasuka wazofika like eGoli. Ngizokusiza la ngizokusiza khona but sengikhishiwe ecaleni ngenxa ukuthi ngenza ama recommendation ukuthi abantu ababe sendlini ibona khumbula lo mama uyi-psychologist and unamacala amaningi unama serial killer wabambile ngangicheck iprofile yakhe. What ngenza ama recommendation ukuthi abantu ababesendlini ababoshwe, so kwase ngiyakhishwa ecaleni. So sibese siza naye noma Mthelezi ngisiza up until ngireceive a call again athi sengifoneliwe la kwathiwa ngibuyele ecaleni.
How?
That's a plus.
Still in 2015?
No, not in 2015. I think it was 2018. 2018.
This is now some 3 years later.
Yes, it's 3 years later. Athi ngifonele wathiwa ngibuyele ecaleni sekungcono ke. Sekuzokwenzeka. Kodwa manje inkinga esinayo idocket asinikezwa siyitholi the actual docket yecala.
Okay.
And we have decided ukuthi kumele sizame ngenye indlela because asikwazi uku-investigate icala elingena dokodo because idokodo asilitholi. Then base be initiate le docket mabenza le docket kwase kuba inkinga ke manje ukuthi ubani iadvocate ngoba engathi amaphoyisa mayisebenza kumele kube neadvocate ezofunda idocket ifuna bese isayinwe ngoba NPA angiyazi kahle imithetho yakho. Yes. So njengoba yenza njalo mina ngaleso sikhathi bese ngihlangene nobaba wakuthu Chauke ngicabanga ukuthi sanidlalela lo
director of public prosecutions
director of public was Gauteng.
Yeah.
Director we public prosecution wase Gauteng athi istory lesokuthi kwangena abantu angenanga umuntu endlini into ekumele yenziwe la they should arrest everyone kushi head yase Gauteng. So ngimbuza indaba pho ngenziwe ngayithola answer. So now le docket le ibikhona umshushisi owayethi uya initiator eSouth Gauteng ngangiqala ukubona ukuthi iNPA isabe iSAPS ngalendlela le umshushisi esaba ukuthi bazombulala.
Yo imake nakhona uke waxhumana no nehead ye NPA uShamile Batohi ngalolu lidaba lalolu dokotela lesibili yini iqukethwe exoxisaneni kwakho naye
ngangifuna ukumbuza ukuthi why engabanikezi omama ubuthelezi umshushisi okuyena kumele abheke le docket ayibheke ukuthi ifeasible ni ukuthi ingangena enkantolo.
Impendulo wayithola?
Impendulo ngayithola ngathola ukuthi uShamila ngathi akazi lutho.
You weren't happy with impendulo ayikunika zona?
In fact ngamncenga waze wabuyela kumina yena uShamila ngoba esezwa le clip isi-circulator le yomunye wabasebenzi bakho ukuthi abantu ababesendlini kwayimayibuyela kumina.
So lo mshushisi lo owayesaba bazombulala obani la ayesaba bazombulala?
Engathi lana umshushisi wayesabe iSAPS. Esabe iSAPS nje nomphathi wakhe engathi umphathi wakhe ngaleso sikhathi angazi noma usondelene o ushade nomphathi wabashushisi
Shamila.
Chauke. Yes angathi bashadile umphathi ka advocate lo wase South la ikwenza yakhona icala.
Okay, let's take a short break. Go to music. Sigwinya matha bese siyabuya. Ngiyazi nawo nembuzo ngasifonela ku861596 Danili Kagasi FM Dead to Me. It's 8:23. We're discussing the case of Senzo Meyiwa. Currently underway is the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial where there's 5 people that stand accused. And now there's a new docket eveza abanye abayisikhombisa mangazenzi phutha. So sikhuluma njengamanje nesiyabonga Mia who is Senzo Kazi was very instrumental and hands-on odabeni lokushushiswa nokuphenywa nalaka sekunqamuka khona ukuphenya uyena futhi wabanesandla ukuthi uqhubeke lokuphenya lokho so unathi namhlanje uzosichazela nje izimvo zakhe kanye nolwazi lwakhe ke and also the series of events and the sequence of events ahlanganisa nekuphenywa kwalelicala.
Yes, what I wanted to find out Sia is that last week Advocate foretold inkantolo ukuthi leli dokodo elavulwa ngo2019 li container evidence ekhombisa ukuthi uKelly Khumalo owayintombi kaSenzo ngaleso sikhathi is the one who shot uSenzo by mistake. Okwakho, having followed this case from the time it happened to manje, okwakho ngale allegation ukuthi umuntu owadubula uSenzo uKelly ukuthini okwakho?
Ekuthenini ubani owadubula uSenzo angeke ngize ngiphawule ngokwamshololo but ngokwasho uDumelo nokwashiwo ubaba wakamakhelwane kumina bathi uyasidubula ubaba wakamakhelwane mayifica umthoko ecashe kwakhe ethi uphuma phone uthi wathi umthoko uyasidubula ngaphakathi uKelly wayeloke ekhalile ethi kodwa ngizothini ngimakaSenzo kodwa umbulalelani wenzeni.
So ngamanye amazwi leyo nkulumo yakho masi ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi you being careful ukuthi ungazi implicate or incriminate but ichaza ukuthi cha again uKelly umunye walaba babekhona
kodwa nje singabeka kanjani
ngokusola kwakho ngoba phela nawo
umunye wayekhona ngangingekho nami.
Okay. So, any argument, Kesia, moving away from who exactly shot Usenzo kokubona kwakho. Any argument iti laba about 5 who stand accused at the moment and who are facing the trial are not the right guys. Abahlangene naleli cala. Are you able to give us your opinion about this other side of the argument? What do you feel is a connection yale 5 esenkantolo njengamanje and who are the prime suspects okwamanje, and what you feel about the case?
Ngihleze ngisho ngithi iSouth Africa izwe lomthetho. Umthetho ukhona. I believe futhi ukuthi iAssistant yeAfriForum isidlale indima enkulu. The fact ukuthi laba bakhona labe khona kusho ukuthi khona into ebasondeze eduze nalicala ukuthi yini inkantolo izobe siyasiprovela ke lokho ukuthi yini le yenza ukuthi kuze kuthathwe ingane zabantu ifakwe lapha beside iprofile yabo njengalabantu abayibona.
Manje kulaba about 7 that were in the house, abanye bakhona bayabalwa kuleli dokodo esekuphumile ukuthi likhona manje. Have any of them reached out to you to offer any kind of explanation? Ukhuluma ngoTumelo ababekhona abakhona la eKZN. I'm taking ukuthi nanazi as umndeni kaSenzo ukuthi abantu asondelene nabo lapha. Have they offered any explanation to you mhlambe that we don't know of? Mhlambe noma asasichazelanga ukuthi bathini exactly kuwena, but has any connection been made after sekwenzeke lento yenzeka?
Angithi nje cha, but engakusho ukuthi uKelly, uZandi, umawabo baqamba manga kumina before uSenzo angcwatshwe. uTumelo unezinto ayishilo kumina ezamanga. Umthoko seloke kwathi inhlo yabaleka. And enye into eyangisurprise kakhulu nengisayibuza yona ukuthi why uKelly anqabe when ama psychologist esekhona, ama social worker, uyena as a mother nogogo wengane ukuthi ukutheleza interview ingane
uChristian
yes ukuthi ngempela yabonana. But mina as usiyabonga mina I've tried to reach out uKelly sasikhuluma nje kakhulu.
Interesting le part le baqamba manga imapha manga aqanjwa uma kaKelly siqala
uma kaKelly wangitshela into eza enga adapt nezinto engihleze ngiyithola. uZandi wangitshela into enga end up nezinto engihleze ngiyithola. uTumelo wangitshela ukuthi bangena dining room manje ngithola okunye. Umthoko namanje usabaleka neqiniso akafuni ukusitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani, yet kamakhelwane ngathola enye into ngayo. So yonke information abanginikeze yona doesn't add up.
So what do you think would motivate the Senzo's friends to not come out and tell the truth? Ukuthi umphefumulo wakho waphuma kanjani?
I think one, fear, and 2, sometimes we don't know who are our friends
really are.
Yeah. Okay, quickly, because we're wrapping up njengamanje ne. Kuleli cala lesilibona liqala, what outcome are you hoping for? Or because now usekukuningi now investigator unayi idea ukuthi ubani wenza lesenzo. Ngiyababona laba abanye. What outcome are you hoping for?
Ngokuhlangana kwami no Khehla Sithole before aphume nondosi ngoba ngihlalile nabo phansi saxoxa nabo. Ngangilindela ukuthi bazonima bengena laba fowethu enkantolo no Kelly no Tumelo no Longo bangene kanye.
Okay.
That was my expectation from the beginning. Ukuthi mabengena nje laba fowethu no Kelly nabo bayongena bonke kanye for defeating the ends of justice.
So okay, now kulungile. I think I see phothule lapha because omunye ke wathi mina ngalekwa laba abawu 7 abasolwa no Chico nawe omunye naye osoleka ukuthi noma engekho endle kodwa noyabandakanyeka. I guess let's do the final bulletins, news headlines, sports and traffic. We're coming back with the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. We're in studio. We're discussing the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial and all the shenanigans and the goings on behind the scenes that you might not be privy to. But privy to everything is Siyabonga Mia, cousin to Senzo Meyiwa. Very, very involved. Even off mic, we're discussing some intrinsic things that he's been a part of, also as part of the investigation. Now, Sia, we've got Mlu on the line. Before I go to Mlu, I need for you to wrap your head around this next question of mine. So, I'm telling you from a very naive perspective, from just what we consume from the newspapers and television. When this incident occurred, we were then told that the firearm was alleged to have been stolen from Chico by his son. Chico then again came out in the open and said he reported his firearm stolen. Fast forward to now, 2021, we're told with the firearm now in question belongs to an assassin, Dubula Ama, taxi owners and whatnot. And no, everyone has now forgotten about that line of investigation that involves the missing pistol, Chico, which is a revolver. And now the ballistics have proven that it's a revolver that took Senzo's life. Inkabile and the casings is a magazine-loaded pistol. I'm so confused. But first, let's hear from Mlu. Hi, Mlu.
Ninjani Felix.
Saphila njani mfuthu wami?
Sikhona ngibingelele na sa lapha estudio nomfowethu siyabonga. No, ngifuna ukusheshisa nje mina Felix. Ngifuna uqale ngibonge nje umfowethu ngesibindi alaso. Ngiyacabanga nobaba uMeyiwa le khona kanye noSenzo ishayiphuba ngayo ukuthi noma engasekho kodwa uyazama ukulwa lolu bulungisa. Umbuzo wami oqala ukuthi balele icala kubonakala ukuthi linabantu abakhulu abavikelwayo. Isafety yakhe njani? Ngabe uhulumeni khona nasemsize ngako noma ngayikhona isafety yakhe izamele ngibonakala ukuthi kukuningi okufihliwe la. Yabo? Okugcina iloko ukuthi ngisekhona umfowethu ngifuna ngiphendule ukuthi ukube kuya ngayi ngisho sebevelileke abantu okuyona ba politric ukuthi kudlule emhlabeni uSenzo Meyiwa. Yena ukube kuya ngayo obani abanye abantu abaphezulu kade bezama ukugqiba lento nabengafisa nawe mhlambe nomthetho udlala indima yabo kubona ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi kukhulu okufihliwe kodwa isiZulu siyasho sithi akukho okufihlelo ngoba na before ngangenile ngakhuluma ngokuthi into ebalekile la abantu ababekhona endlini but kuyavela manje ukuthi abantu abaziqinisa abantu ababesidina kumele umthetho usiqine kakhulu isandla kubona izwe lizokwazi ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani.
All right, thank you for your call Mlu. Uzolalela radio nike na?
Thank you, Gabo.
Shabafo. Do you have any light to shed for Mlu? Qale wabuza ngesafety yakho ukuthi njengoba usuphenyanga kakulicala njengoba involved ngalendlela and you want to see it through. Safety yakho, is it guaranteed now?
Mlu, I will not worry about my safety, but one thing engayikhuluma ngesafety why I'm not worrying about his safety yami ukuthi uSenzo igazi lami at some stage ezongcwatshwa kwakungathi ngashona mina because uSenzo was more important to the republic than me at the time. But ngicela ukuthi bafethu sithandazele isafety kaMama uButhelezi, uMakhubo, advocate Mshololo nabo bonke labantu laba abadinga ukuphepha more than mina njengamanje because mina noma ungangenzani manje I'm done. Icase is enkantolo. You understand? All I was hoping for and praying for ukuthi case ibe senkantolo. So, and even my son is proud of me. Yeah, Baba, finally we're going to find justice. And I was doing this for my younger son who always asked me, Baba, bazoboshwa nini abantu ababulala ubaba omncane. That's why I was doing this. We understand. So we can only pray for his safety ama witnesses asazongena nabafowethu laba abasize umndeni wakaMeyiwa ukuthi le case ibe senkantolo. Ababesaba phambi kwami. I remember sise Boxburg emzini ka advocate Nzuke lo kwakumela signele for this docket. Emfethu kangiqala mina ukubona iadvocate isaba kanje egcwele inyembezi. I think wayesedemotiwe na kwi promotion ayitholile demotwa i-DPP yase Southern Gauteng ngoba angazi linked nobani oyishade nobani. So it was embarrassing mfethu ukubona amaphoyisa nama advocates esaba ama colleagues abo.
So Mlu's follow-up question ke I think is linked to lapho yakhona ukuthi do you feel ukuthi over and above laba ababalwa in docket 1 and in docket 2, are there any other people also ukuthi bangaba involved higher up? Because at some point ke kwabalindaba yokusolwa ama drug involvement, abantu basebholeni ikhulu zakhona noma ungasawabalanga amagama abantu, but do you believe ukuthi there are higher people that are involved in this case?
I'm a patriot. Anyone who messes with my country deserves to rot behind bars. Anyone, if ever we have to die for that. I'm sorry, that's what Oliver Tambo taught us.
So now, I guess we indaba ispam. Ispam lesesa lahleka sa Chico wathi usireportile engathi sitholakalela. Indaba engasakho indaba yaso. Wasikhuluma ngespam senkabi, lenkabi le engakaze ikhonjwe umuntu futhi.
Mfethu, angeke ngikhulume kakhulu ngespam sababuthwala ubabuthwala no makakheli bahlulwa into esimple ukuthi basondele bahlale phansi nomndeni wakaMeyiwa ukuthi izingane sezonile yobe senza njani to move forward. So njengamanje njoba icase senkantolo kuzolethwa wonke ama experts, singakukhohlwa lokho abantu bangamanipulate umthetho South Africa, but South Africa is a country of law. They are going to prove what type of firearm that was used there and iqhamukapi. I'm happy ngoba manje ama side omabili lawade investigator le case kumele ehlanganile enkantolo. We understand, that's what I'm happy about. Njoba kuza le docket ila ma team lawade silwela ukuthi awahlangana engafuni ukuhlangana. So I judge is forced now ngoba icala elilodwa leli kumele bomabili ama team aye laphana ayosiprovela le question oyibuzayo.
I think that let's wrap it up. Last one, Jeff.
Yeah, I think another thing is he interested in Kakulu as the KZN public or the South African public at large is the well-being of umndeni. We understand ukuthi icase efana nalena obviously will take strain on the family. We've seen different sides of the family emerge to speak on what they believe happened. Leli cala as umndeni linenzeni nisabumbene as a family noma sekukhona ama cracks ngenxa yokuthi khona uhlangothi olukholelwa loku khona uhlangothi that believes in something else? As a family ninjani?
Again angikhulumela umndeni kodwa kubhlungu uma wami loyana udadewabo ma
sure
ingane yagogo wami kubhlungu kumina mase ngimbone ekhala angangakubona lokho every day angikwazi ukulala because uma wami loyana uma nami mayisekhala ekhaya, but as umndeni we work as one. There is always ungaboni ngasolinye, but into eyodwa siyifunayo usenzo beku umfowethu. Mina usifiso ungabona ngathi azizwani, but touch us njengoba usibona namanje sela uzoyibona ufana nobani.
Love to see it.
Okay, no asibambe kanjalo the incompetence surrounding a first response in Jeps that led to the contamination of the scene and the things that the officer should have done that he didn't do, and now it's been exposed that he actually was not the right qualified person to be the respondent in that in that first instance. So now it raises so many questions in terms of the type of firearm, whose firearm it was, if indeed the shell casing that was found, if it was there or placed there, you know, in an effort to maybe sway it or the narrative to it fitting the five that stand accused as we speak. I don't know. These are just the things that we talk about at local watering holes, behind closed doors, in our lounges, in the streets, in corners and corridors, because we don't know what happened. But thank you so much for shedding light in this regard. Ungapheli moya mfowethu. uNkulunkulu akupha amandla aphindiwe ukuthi nala xika khona uphenduka ukuthi ufake isandla ubanxanxa na ufaka kakhulukazi uma sebe enqinda ke inyawo sebe saba sebengenwa amanzi emadolweni ukuthi bavela ngaphambili.
Angibonge kakhulu mfethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu